Welcome to the installation video for the 54DM series door mount kit. Before you begin, you will need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a tape measure, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: door adapters, L brackets, plastic spacers, a 2.5mm Allen wrench, flange button head screws, conical screws, number 6 by 1/2 inch wood screws, and double-sided tape. Your 54DM series door mount kit will work on any of these REVASHELF pull-out organizers. Carefully start by removing your cabinet door and hinges. Place the L bracket at the outside edge of the unit and align with the upper hole in the frame. There are left and right L brackets. Make sure you apply the correct one for each side. Use the provided Allen wrench and the flange button screw to secure the L bracket to the frame. Loosely attach the conical screw to the outside of the L bracket. Hang the left or right designated door adapter. For proper alignment, make sure it is straight up and down. Only gently tighten for now. We will show you how to make adjustments later. Our goal is to line up the adapters to the thick portion of your cabinet door. If your adapters do not align with the thick portion, you may need to install the 4 provided plastic spacers. The spacers will allow you to reach the thick portion, so that your screws do not penetrate all the way through the door. Repeat with the other side. There are 2 methods to attach the door. The first method involves using the included double-sided tape. Now, this is the quickest and easiest method. However, it is less precise and does limit some adjustability since the door will become adhered to the adapters. Apply double-sided tape to the door adapters. Attach the cabinet door to the adapters while trying to keep the door level. Push the door closed and apply pressure to all 4 corners, making sure the door is flush with the cabinet. Pre-drill the holes using your 3/32 inch bit. The double stick tape will help hold the door in place. Do not drill all the way through your cabinet door. Use the number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead wood screws to secure the adapters to the cabinet door. An alternative door mount method is more precise, however, it does involve a bit of math. Measure from the base of the face frame up to each slotted hole location and record those dimensions. Measure the entire door opening and record that value. Now, measure the entire height of your cabinet door and record that value. In our case, we have a full overlay door, so the door is larger than the opening. No worries, simply subtract the cabinet opening dimension from the door length dimension. Divide that number by 2 and you will have the dimension you need to add to your hole location dimensions recorded earlier. If your door is smaller than the cabinet opening, then you have an inset door. In this case, subtract the inset gap from your hole location dimensions recorded earlier. Transfer those dimensions to your door from the bottom and mark the hole locations. It's a good idea to put a piece of tape on the bit to use as a guide to keep you from drilling all the way through the door. Pre-drill using your 3/32 inch bit. Attach the door to the adapters with the number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws. You can adjust the tilt and skew by loosening the conical screws on either or both sides of the door. For side-to-side adjustments, loosen the screws and slide the door along the slotted holes. Once the door is aligned, tighten the screws. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.